What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use Elementor Image Optimizer plugin in order to optimize, compress and resize the image of your WordPress website and make the image and the overall website loads faster. And of course, Google loves a faster loading website. How to do this for free is what you're gonna learn to this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. Now, go to your WordPress dashboard and review the left sidebar of menus. Hover your mouse over plugins and make sure that you have Elementor WordPress plugin installed. You can go to add new plugins and search for Elementor. I'm gonna start at the point that you already have Elementor plugin installed. If it's your case, all you have to do is review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over Elementor and click into the last tab menu called add-ons. You have no needs to have the Elementor Pro to use these features, okay? So just scroll down just a little bit and here is the Image Optimizer. Click on install. Now click into the activate plugin. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, and here is the Image Optimizer, compress, resize and optimize image by Elementor. Now you can click on connect or settings. I'm gonna click on settings, okay? To access plugin, you can also access the plugin from the WordPress left sidebar of menus, media, Image Optimizer, okay? First step is to connect, okay? Image Optimizer is not connected right now. To start Optimizer image, please connect your account. Click on connect now. You're gonna load the Elementor welcoming page. You're gonna need to enter to access your Elementor account. You can sign in with Google or you can create your account, okay? So the Elementor gonna ask for you to log in on your account or to create an account. You can create an account for free. So if you don't have a big website, you have nothing to worry. And you're gonna be able to see a button, optimize all. But before I can do this, please take a moment to review this right here. Compression level, loosely. So you can review, reduces image file size without compromising the integrity or quality of the image, maximizes compression, produce lightweight image with similar files, okay? Up to you, okay? Optimize new uploads, allow image large resizing, clear metadata, backup originals. The format, I highly recommend that you keep WebP. File optimization to all sizes, and you have some advanced options right here, but nothing to worry. Now, before we can do this, I highly recommend that you raise a site backup. You have a video on YouTube, just search for Visual Model on YouTube and backup, and you're gonna be able to find a couple of videos where I do explain how to backup your site. After doing a backup, you can click into this button, Optimize All. Optimize all the images left on your library in one go. We are in progress. There is a kiwi. All you have to do at this stage is wait while the optimization happens and it makes your image faster. There is another way to optimize the images one by one, okay, that you can see right here on your media library. You can go to the image and you're gonna be able to see an option to restore to original or re-optimize, or an option to optimize the image, okay? Let me show right here we have a non-optimized. We can click on optimize now and this is gonna optimize only this image, okay? But as you can see, the process is already happening, and of course it's gonna take a couple of times because it needs to load the image, understand, optimize. It's a quite time-consuming process, so nothing to worry. Just keep this page as it is, wait, and when it goes, we are good to go. Of course, we have a free trial plan, so we can optimize 200 images, and this refreshes every month as far as I could review. So there is an option. We have 600 image, so it's gonna take 3 months maybe into the free account, I think, but it's a way to go. Simple, easy, and effective, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.